Welcome. My name is Loch Kelly, and I'd like to offer a glimpse practice today that begins with some simple ways of calming, or what I call soothing the animal. So calming your body and calming and focusing your small mind in order to shift out of the cloud of the chattering mind and the battery of the body that has energy and emotion into the more spacious and pervasive, supportive, interconnected, loving presence of open-hearted awareness, which includes exactly how you're feeling at this time. So let's begin with settling in and just finding a comfortable posture. You can do these practices open-eyed or closed-eyed. And the first thing we'll do is actually take a little deeper breath in, and then as you breathe out, just say Om or hum. And one more time, moving from everyday mind to subtle body energy. And then just taking a little deeper breath into your belly, rib cage expanding. And as you breathe out now, just breathe out a little slower. Like breathing out of a straw. And one more time. Breathing in, feeling the cool oxygen that allows you to feel awake. And as you breathe out, just let out a sigh. And relax and be here now. And then just simply noticing your breath at your belly or your chest. It's a simple task. Noticing your breath happening by itself. When your attention wanders, just bringing it back to the focus on this simple area of your body. And now shifting to notice, where are you aware of your breath from? So moving from what you're focusing on to feeling the focuser, the meditator. Just curious where that's located and feeling that sense of being in a small sense of self, calming your body. And then step out, open up, unhook to be aware of that area you were focusing from and your breath happening by itself. Just curious, simple. And then just let your awareness look behind the camera, move beyond the meditator, open from that point of view, allowing awareness to expand in all directions until you discover and tune into that awareness that's already aware by itself without your help. So letting go, and discovering and letting be. And then just simply curious, are you aware of that spacious awareness, or what's it like? when you're aware from this open awareness. And notice the first vibration and sensation and sound is made of the awareness. So there's an ocean of awareness that's alive and dancing. Where from this field of awareness, aliveness, that's spacious and pervasive and interconnected, that has great capacity, embodied and open-hearted, flowing here, everywhere, interconnected to something greater than yourself. It's also essentially who you are. Just feel that compassionate, embracing quality when you're aware from the open-hearted awareness of all your parts and emotions. Noticing your breath happening by itself. And notice the awareness happening by itself. Having dropped from head to heart space, just being aware of your heart space or your heart mind from your heart space and from all around. Just resting and being, noticing you don't have to go to thought to be alert and here. Don't have to go to sleep to rest and be. And just allowing this natural calm to be tuned into and received. This natural loving kindness, okayness, and well-being to arise and animate every cell of your being as if every cell has a little smile and that you're connected to the bigger smile of the safety of your open-hearted awareness. Just notice, is this a meditation state that's happening to you? Or is this more essentially who you are, to which all states, emotions, sensations, thoughts are welcome? So just stay and marinate as long as you like, and then notice that you can transition from here to your next activity. And when you lose it, just saying, no big surprise, just re-recognize and learn to return at any time of the day and train to remain. Enjoy.